Repairing a broken toilet handle is a quick and easy task. All you'll need is a new toilet lever kit. There are no tools necessary for this repair. To get started, turn off the water to the toilet and empty the tank. Then remove the pieces to the old lever. When removing the handle, keep in mind that the threading is reversed, so you will turn it clockwise to loosen it. Next, insert the new lever and secure it with the lock nut. This tightens by being turned in a counterclockwise direction. Connect the flapper chain to the rod and test to make sure it lifts the flapper correctly. Turn the water back onto the toilet. Once the tank is refilled, test the new setup to make sure it works and make adjustments to the chain as needed.